Immortals Crossing the Sea is a Tai Chi set in internal martial arts form. Master Locke's work is characterized by his dynamic movement, elegantly flowing yet very powerful, creating roundness and promoting the energy flow. The Immortals form builds an extensive range of self-defense techniques and strategies, while playing out the actions of the Immortals as well as the animal characteristics such as dragon, tiger, snake and crane. The choreography is expressive, challenging, enjoyable and nourishing. It is designed to keep the practitioner engaged and playful and on the path of development. Master Locke demonstrates and explains every step of the form in great detail. He lays out the physical building blocks such as the footwork, the orientation of the body, the hand shapes, arm movement, the finer body mechanics and the requirements for commanding the energy flow. An equal amount of detail is given to the philosophical framework of the form, the idea behind each step. Here we get a clear understanding of how the energy expresses through rotation, expansion, compression, etc. and how this translates into the martial applications. Master Locke takes us through the numerous kicks, punches, blocks, locks, releases and even direct applications within the footwork. We get an understanding of how the various training methods for martial arts are integrated into the form work. Beginners can follow the instruction immediately, starting their journey into a high level of Tai Chi Chuan practice. Advanced practitioners of other internal styles will also get plenty of inspiration as well as new insights from this DVD. The amount of information compacted into this 16-step form is immense. We are taken right into the heart of Taoist tradition, where the physical, the philosophical, the health benefits and the martial application all come together as one. Master Locke, through his choreography and his clarity of tuition, he takes a very simple idea and explains how to bring that into physicality. By accomplishing these simple concepts within the practice, we achieve an incredible profoundness. It's that very profoundness within simplicity that characterizes the master. The gift of Master Locke is that he can teach you that very quality, that he sets you on your own path towards mastery. This, I find, is one of the delights of learning Tai Chi and Qigong with Master Locke. I am Willem Akkermans of Five Fist Kung Fu in Ireland, and I would like to thank Master Locke for his generosity in his teaching and for his efforts in making these resources